Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is a side entry, manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. You can see I can take this manual ramp out using only my index finger, take it to the ground. Very simple to do, spring assisted. I tell our customers if you can lift half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps with ease. These were formerly state vehicles of the state of Arizona, so they're from Arizona. You know, they're pretty rust-free, been fleet maintained, very clean inside and out. The back seat looks like hardly ever been set in. Got that carbon fiber floor there to keep it clean. Removable passenger seat if you want to get a chair up next to you or up to 2 chairs at a time in here. That's a possibility. The dash is in excellent condition. It's got the steering wheel control so you can keep your eyes on the road. Stereo there, aux port, auxiliary port, dual climate control, plenty of plugs down below. Cup holders there, got the armrest. So the armrest does show a little bit of wear on this driver's side. We do give a free set of Q-Strength pull tight tie downs away with each van. When it's time to put it back up, got everybody secure, come back, fold it up, swing it shut, and you're ready to roll. As far as the walk around to the van, I'll check the receipts, but we got 4 brand new tires on this, as in brand new, so 4 new tires. Overall, super clean body, been very well taken care of. The paint still shines. I don't see any major dents or scratches in it. You know, of course, it's gonna have a little bit of normal wear, but overall, it's very clean. I see one little chip right here. We'll probably put some touch-up paint on that. We're not trying to hide anything, we're just trying to protect that surface down there. Nice, clean van. Make a great van for your family or your business. Headliner appears to be in great condition. We got the 2 keys, got the keyless entry. You can see the current mileage are 149,962. When I go to turn it on, fires up, first time every time. There's no check engine lights on, no airbag, no dummy lights, nothing like that. We've got our repair sheet here. 4 brand new tires, lower control arms, replace those, left and right sway bar links, outer tie rod ends. So we did quite a bit of front end work to this, a bunch of minor little things that we did to it, but overall we do inspect these. I've got 3 mechanics. We do not try to make them perfect, but we try and make them nice and reliable. With that being said, please understand this is a used vehicle. I always suggest a warranty with every used vehicle. Extended warranty, we sell those very affordably. Also show you the VIN number there so you know we're selling the van we say we're selling. A lot of people out there doing some shady things on the internet. So let me pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood, got a 3.6 V6 engine, idles smoothly, no signs of any damage, no signs of any leaks, no signs of any abnormal rust or anything like that. Underneath the van, like I said, this is an Arizona van. Pretty clean. The frame's not all bent up. No signs of any major rust, no signs of any major leaks. So, thanks, Chuck. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying used vehicles. They assume things. They assume because it looks pretty in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume that it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. And there's a reason that most people don't show you the undercarriage of these things. They buy them from New York and Chicago. They're all rusted out. They're all beat up. There's a sucker born every day, I think is what they say. You know, don't be one of them. People are always getting burned on the internet. Demand a detailed video like this. And if they're not going to get off their behind and get you a detailed video, who are you buying from and what are they trying to sell you? So let me get this out on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vehicles out on the highway so you can feel the engine run, hear the transmission shift, and you know that whether you take advantage of us helping you get this shipped to you affordably or if you come in and drive it home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure this van is roadworthy. It's at about 67 miles an hour there. I'm going to back it off a little bit. Set the cruise control set. You see that steering wheel is nice and straight. It drives very nice down the highway. I did notice a couple small holes in the dash there. Probably had something mounted there. So again, not a perfect van, but a very nice running van. Looks good. Had quite a bit of work done to it. And keep in mind, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. We have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We have almost 700 transactions on eBay. Everyone has always left us positive feedback. That's almost 700 people said we did them right, and no one said we did them wrong. Last I checked, we had a 4.8 out of 5-star reviews on Google. So my point is that we're a reputable dealership. We try to be honest and fair as we possibly can. We don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers online have a real nice price online, and then they have all these hidden fees at $500, $1,000 and what they call administrative fees, document fees, tag fees. And my question to you is, if someone's going to hide money from you, if they're not going to tell you the actual price, what else are they hiding from you? Are they hiding mechanical issues, an accident? There's just so many people out there in this world, unfortunately, that are getting by doing shady business practices. So nice hard brake, no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises. So overall, this is exactly what we want out of a higher mileage van, but still a very nice van. And another point is, when you call the competition, you're most likely going to be talking to a used car salesman. They're going to be somewhere else. They chase that commission check. They'll probably be working somewhere else in a couple months. They don't care if you get a good deal. They don't care if you get the truth. All they care about is that commission check. Well, me, I'm the owner. I'm going to be here 5 years from now. I'm going to be here 10 years from now. I want you getting the truth. I want you to repeat business. I want you telling your family. I want you telling your friends about us. And those ramps do rattle just a little bit. I just went over some railroad tracks. So all older ramps are going to rattle just a tad, just shooting you straight. But yeah, if you want to talk to a used car salesman, give the competition a call. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name again is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text. 316-518-4377. You've now got the owner's cell phone number. I want you to talk to one of those big companies like Freedom Motors or a Braun Corporation. I want you to tell, hey, I want the owner's cell phone number. So if anything goes wrong, I can call the owner directly. Yeah, try that. Tell me what they say to you about that. Try to even get a manager's cell phone number. Yeah, good luck. We do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone. We can take one over the phone. We can send a link, an email to your email. So let us know how we can help. We do take trade-ins. And check out our entire inventory at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thanks so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.